Breaking news. Drastic changes have been made in the PTE scoring system. Don't believe anything you hear and only half of what you see. That is how I view YouTube. But I'm just kidding though. I love YouTube. I watch YouTube for many things. I learned how to do some web design on YouTube. I learned how to do video editing on YouTube, just a little bit. But you know what I don't watch YouTube for? PTE. I'm not suggesting that you don't watch YouTube for PTE at all. I'm just suggesting that maybe you shouldn't believe everything that you hear. And the reason is because this is not like teaching math or teaching any subject where you actually know what's going on, because it's very subjective. The reality of it is nobody knows how the PTE is scored. Can you find any official text from the PTE on how their algorithm works? I can honestly say, and I tell this to all my students, I don't know exactly how the algorithm works. I don't work for the PTE, but I've had a lot of experience and success on helping people get their score. So I guess I can say I have a little idea on how the PTE is scored. So to answer the question, has PTE made some major changes to their scoring system recently? I'm sure they constantly add new questions. I'm sure they made some changes here and there. But to say that drastic changes have been made to the point where everything you have learned yesterday is useless today, get that shit out of here. Like I said, I don't watch YouTube related to PTE, but lately I've been getting emails and text messages about how they saw this video about some changes being made. Honestly, you don't even need to ask me. My opinion doesn't matter. I'm nobody. But you can ask yourself a couple questions and you can probably see this from a different point of view. The first thing you can do is to check if anybody you know personally has been affected by these drastic changes. I'm pretty sure the people that you know personally would not lie to you about it. Second thing you can do is to check whether or not this was an official announcement from the PTE. Did they post this directly on their website? Immigration policies change all the time. The government doesn't spread rumors about it. They post it directly on their website to let you know what the criteria are now. The third thing you can ask yourself is the person presenting the problem to you also the person selling you the solution? Now, in any other situation, wouldn't that be kind of odd? To me, I call that a scare tactic. I say that all the time to my students. It's a marketing strategy. When the sales are down, what do companies do? They repackage up the same bullshit that they have and they sell it to you and say it's different. So that's my take on the so-called major changes in the PTE scoring. Before I let you go, I want to leave you with this. A rich person will buy anything you sell them. A broke person will believe anything you tell them. That's because a desperate person will take any advice they can get. Now you need this score, you depend on this score. This score will change your life, so you're desperate. Don't let other people take advantage of your desperation. Always be confident in yourself. Confidence and performance go hand in hand, so let's get this.